Welcome, everybody, to this brand new episode with this brand new series that we're starting for all of the people who want to get in this wonderful world of YouTube. And this is for all you future YouTubers who want to learn how you can upload your videos on YouTube, how you can hack the YouTube algorithm and get more views in a very short period of time. And it's also for people who are like, we love sharing our life and we want to become a YouTuber. And believe it or not, nowadays it is a true word or profession, if you want to call it that. YouTuber. If you tell somebody YouTuber, you actually get free stuff, and we are fitness of that. In one of our videos, we actually got a free dessert, which is pretty cool, and we cannot wait to see what free stuff we get as we continue our journey of becoming a professional YouTuber, obviously, right? So enough said. So this episode is what I call is a Gyan Wala episode. That's right. This is called Gyan Wala episode. In this kind of episodes, which I'm going to be releasing it, well, actually, me and Sapna is going to be releasing it on every Thursday, so that way you have a small hack that you can use for your YouTube channel to get more viewers, get more subscribers, and actually create a really cool, thumbnails and all that other stuff, and how you make money with YouTube and stuff like that. But in this episode, I want to share this small hack that we discovered accidentally, but it really helped us out a lot, and that is called, get ready for this, एपिसोड के अंदर में आप हमको बताएंगे कि इस एपिसोड में ये छोटी सी हैक आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, जिसको आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा. एंड बिकॉज ये जो वीडियो है we just only uploaded it 2 days ago. It already has 714 views, which is like really good for us. For 2 days, that many views, that's pretty good for us. So let me show you what it does, and then we can show you how you can implement it if you already have a channel. So let's open this up in here.
Start this video.
So here it is. So I'm gonna pause this. So if I hover my mouse over the timeline of the particular video, so you will see there's a section here, there's a section here, a section here, section here, section here, and here as well. And you might be wondering, like, I don't understand. Compared to the other videos, I don't remember seeing any sections. And how is this section any important? On this Gyan Wala episode, you will learn this section is actually going to help your viewers skip through different parts of your video very easily, because when your viewers have a really nice experience going through your videos, that will help them come back to your videos and only go to a specific section that they really care about, right? And number two, it also helps you in your SEOs, which is a search engine optimization. It helps you with that. So what that means, when you're YouTube, most people think I'm only going to get traffic from YouTube and that's that. But there's another engine that is called Google. I'm sure you heard about now. If somebody types in a specific word and you have this section, words, in that particular search term in it, and then that your videos, the chance of becoming available in the search result will be a lot greater. So let me show you how does this whole thing work. So let's say we have all these sections and everything else, right? And then we go over here, and then over here, which what we call the YouTube video timestamp, right? And then we have, when someone clicks on this, any one of these numbers, the video is going to go and start playing from that particular time frame. So for example, right now the video is at let's just say 0.1 second, right? And I wanted to jump to this 1 minute and 30 seconds. So if I click on this, the video is going to automatically go and jump to that, which is pretty cool. So if you have this really long video and you tell your viewers, hey, I have the timestamps down below, if you want to look at that particular section, you go and click on it and it will take you right to there, and you don't have to scrub through the timeline going back and forward trying to find exactly where the hell that thing is, right? That's number one. Number two, so we have implemented this particular key phrase, keyword or key phrase, whatever you want to call it, in here. So when somebody looks for this particular key phrase, likelihood of our YouTube video coming as a search result is going to be a lot higher. Not guaranteed, but it's going to be a lot higher. So imagine that. So if you apply this particular technique into your videos and all of that, and you name your things, whatever section you want to call it. So for example, this section at 25 seconds is COVID-19 vaccine teaser. If somebody want to watch that, you can just click right here and it'll take them right through that. So having said all of that, that's wonderful and everything, right? So let's say if you want to implement this, and you are going to be so surprised how easy it is to implement this in your YouTube video. So let's go over here, and then we want to implement it to, let's say, this one. And then I'll just go over here, go to the YouTube channel, toss YouTube Studio, and then let it load up, and then we go to contact, and then we go to edit here. And let's say if I already know what the timestamps that I want to put in here, which I already have it, so I could just literally go here, copy it, paste it, and I could just go YouTube video just for SEO purposes. You know, somebody typing a YouTube video with timestamp, and this thing will come up. And at 0.00 is where the introduction is going to. Make sure that you include this, because otherwise your YouTube is going to just go straight to, your video is going to go straight to whatever the next timestamp is. So in this case, my next section, I'm calling it excitement 500 subs. It's going to start at 13 seconds. So that will be 0:13 second, and then New York City view in here. And just to prove it to you, at this moment in time, it has no section whatsoever. So let's just go here, and
500 subscribers.
right here you'll see there is no sections whatsoever, and we want to edit sections. So we add this timeline here, we click on save, and then by magically when we refresh the browser now, it's going to have the sections. So let's find out.
500.
All right, so there's section 1, section 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth, right? And this is all because all we really did was just type it in here. When you type in here and you click on save, you're like, well, nothing really happened. Whoopity-doo. This Gyanwala episode was horrible. It didn't teach me anything, right? But this kind of change will show when you actually go to the video. So let's go over here, and then we go to timestamps. Let's just click on here.
Hi guys.
And let's click on another one, New Jersey view.
Desired placement.
So here it is. It automatically goes and shows you based on whatever timestamp you put there. So hopefully you really enjoy this Gyanwala episode, which is going to be live every Thursday for you. A small Gyan that's going to help you become a YouTuber. If you already are a YouTuber, it's going to help you become a better YouTuber. So welcome to, once again, say it with me. Come on, say it. You could do it. Come on, you could do it. Come on. I know you could do it. There we go. Gyanwala episode. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next Gyanwala episode.